Stand tall for the curtsy lunge. Take a minimum distance equal to your hip girth between your feet. Now, drive yourself, keeping your core in. Take your hands, clasps in front of your chest, which will give you the alignment for your body. Now, take your one leg from back. If you're taking the right, take it towards the left side. Go as much low as you can, driving both the knees, bending, and come back to the same point where you started from. Similarly, go take the left leg, go back and bend both the knees and come back. In this, you might feel your pelvis is twisting a lot. I would like you to keep the pelvis just keeping it straight, not tilting too much on each of the side, and then keep driving your leg back. If you want to make it more intense, then you can actually hold a 4 kg, 5 kg weight around the chest and make it more intense. In later on movements, we can actually go with a little jump movement, which will give you a cardio feel also. But make sure that your level of intensity is low at the beginning and you get the right movement, because this can create a twisting movement in your knee, which can actually give pain to your knee joint area, which is related to your meniscal injury or any of the ligament injury. So take doctors or professionals' help and then start doing this movement. Now we are doing a jump movement and try to do the curtsy lunge. Go, take a jump and take the leg back. Yes, jump and come. Left, back. Let's do it a little faster. With a jump. Let's do it faster. Yes, with a jump. Keep moving. And we can do at least 10 on each side and 2 to 3 sets.